name is Yazid, or people call me Yazid. What am I want to explain? Let me show you how to use it as cam scanner. Cam scanner is an application that can be used to change picture to PDF like format without using real big scanner. Step one. Download the cam scanner app on the Google Play or App Store. You can just register your account or log in with your phone number or email account. Open the camera app. Choose the mode you like. Check the picture of the objects. Edit the crop, or the crop is going to be automatically. Press the picture, share the button, and choose what you want to share. What do you want to import? You can just use image, PDF, but you can have a watermark. It's okay. You don't worry. I gotta choose the image. Click this, and that's it. And now you have the picture or document that you want. It's easy, right? I know you can do that, but just remember, the rest of you is different, and all of your recipe is all you.